Good afternoon again, John here. Look what I found. I was digging through some boxes, and these are the birds that I used to do. I bet I did, maybe 50 of these over the years. And this one's not finished yet. I would finish them down just like this seal. I would sand them that smooth, and then I would put tung oil on them. So I'm going to finish this one up, and then I found these two pineapples that I did. This wood, I remember this wood, that came from my aunt's shed, and I believe she was born 1900. Yeah, I'm guessing maybe even the late 1800s. So that was a really old walnut tree. It was I got it out of her shed. But I don't know if any of you ever watched the TV show Psych. There would always be a pineapple in every episode. Sometimes it would be very easy to find, and other times it was kind of hidden. So I'm gonna finish these two up, and my kids used to love watching that show with me. I'm gonna finish these two up and give them each one of these. I guess they're like you could use them like a nut dish or a serving tray or something, but this one's I've gotten a little farther along, it looks like, than this one. Obviously I just cut that one out, but yeah, story of my life. Unfinished projects all over the house. Oh well, like my grandpa used to say, he died massive heart attack at 67, and he always used to say, if you haven't got another day to do it, you don't need to be done. So, all right, take care. God bless.